Welcome to our unboxing video of the day. What do we have here? A construction party. Here is our tool playset. Construction cone candles. Plush construction dog with a cute little hat. Construction worker vest plates. Those do come in an 8-pack. 9-ounce cups. A 16-ounce tool cup. Construction sign cutouts. Lunch napkins. Some dessert plates. 8-pack of dinner plates. Construction happy birthday sign. These awesome foil mylar balloons. These look really sharp with the truck on the front, the happy birthday on the back. A rolled table cover. And our construction treat box. Our construction party sign cutouts come in packs of 6 signs. Of course, there is a stop sign. Row work ahead. Party area. Yield, in other words, slow. And construction zone. So grab your toolbox and head to the party.